I wanted to do a quick video as kind of I guess a public service announcement. This is March 19th of 2020, and lots of folks are sitting at home right now. And you know, about the third or fourth day of this kind of thing kind of gets to you if you don't get out of the house. Now, of course, right now we can still get out of the house, go for a walk, do that kind of thing. We're just not supposed to congregate, which is really smart. Very, very smart. Don't touch things outside of the home. That's smart too. Here's the thing. If you're stuck in the house and let's say it's rainy outside, and that's the way it's been in Dallas. So it's not like we're heading outside anytime soon. All right? So it's kind of yucky. All right? What do? Okay? First of all, and this is important, open those blinds. Okay, get some light coming into the house. It needs to be natural light, sunlight. Even if it's behind clouds, that natural light that's coming through is very healthy for you. You need that. It's there's a lot of hormonal things that go on around circadian rhythm and having the sun up and getting that in your eyes and all of this kind of thing. And I'm not going to go into all of the details of that. There's a lot of scientific study on it. But the fact of the matter is, it's healthy and it's needed. So get the blinds opened up, all right? Light up the house as much as you can. And the next thing is, let's find something to do. Stop watching the videos on what's going on, okay? Do yourself a favor. Watch 30 minutes of it a day, just one bit that you trust from whichever news source you trust, and just sit and watch that alone. And when you're finished with that, move on to doing something different. Study, watch videos on different hobbies, engage in hobbies, do some sewing, do some cooking. You know what, house cleaning. If you need to lose a little weight like I do some house cleaning. This place is getting spick and span right now, trust me. Or you can do what I do, make YouTube videos. There's a lot of different things. Just start thinking about what you can do in the house without focusing on what's going on outside of the house, okay? I do my thing in the kitchen, and I invite you to please join me in the kitchen. There's a lot of recipes on my channel, a lot of challenges for you, and a lot of different ideas. So if you're limited on ingredients, just go through those recipes until you find one that matches your ingredients. I'll bet I have one for you. Folks, we're all in this together and we're going to get through it together, and that's the way that is. Let's focus on being safe, being careful, and I would like to say for everybody that's watched my videos and seen Texas Cooking Today and given me a little of your time, I would like to say thank you very much. Now, back to videos. Boom, done with it. Okay, turning off the 6 first.